A poor orphan girl named Maria was walking to market one day. She stopped for a rest by the roadside, where a bird with a broken wing lay. A few moments passed till she saw it, for its feathers were covered with sand. But soon clean and wrapped it was traveling in the warmth of Maria's small hand. She'd happily spent her last peso on a cage made of rushes and twine. She fed it loose corn from the market and watched it grow stronger with time. Now the Christmas Eve service was coming, and the church hung of tinsel and light, and all of the town folk brought presents to lay by the manger that night. There were diamonds and incense and perfumes in packages fit for a king, but the one ragged bird in a small cage, Maria had nothing to eat. She waited till just before midnight, so no one could see her go in, and crying she knelt by the manger, for her gift was unworthy of him. Then a voice spoke to her through the darkness, Maria, what brings you to me? If the bird in the cage is your offering, open the door, let me see. Though trembling she did as he asked her, and out of the cage the bird flew, soaring up into the rafters on a wing that had gilded and blue. Just then the big night bells rang out, and the little bird started to sing a song that no words could capture, whose beauty was fit for a king. Now Maria felt blessed just to listen to the cascade of notes